Unlock the power of typography and transform your designs in Photoshop with just a few clicks. Let's dive into mastering Photoshop's text tool, your gateway to impactful and professional graphics. First, we need to select the text tool. It looks like a capital T and is usually found in your left-hand toolbar. You can also press T on your keyboard as a shortcut. Now, simply click anywhere on your canvas where you want your text to appear. A blinking cursor will signal that you're ready to start typing. Go ahead and type your desired text. For this example, we'll type "Hello World." Once your text is in place, select it by holding down your mouse and dragging across it to customize its appearance. Navigate to the character panel. If you don't see it, go to Window and select Character. Here, you have a world of options. Start by changing the font. Experiment with different typefaces from elegant scripts to bold sans serifs to find the perfect match for your design's mood. Next, let's control the size. You can use the size slider or directly input a numerical value. Don't be afraid to go big or small, depending on your needs. Color is crucial. Click on the color swatch to open the color picker and choose any hue to make your text pop or blend seamlessly with your background. For multi-line text, the leading, which is the space between lines, is key. Adjusting this can dramatically improve readability and create a visually appealing flow. And for that extra touch of polish, try kerning. This allows you to fine-tune the space between individual letters, especially important for titles and headlines. After typing, you can easily move your text around your canvas using the Move tool, which is the arrow icon at the top of your toolbar. Want to add more flair? Double-click directly on the text layer in the Layers panel to access layer styles. Here you can add effects like drop shadows, strokes, or even gradients for a truly professional finish. With these simple steps, you can expertly use Photoshop's text tool to craft stunning typography and elevate all your design projects.